The following is a problem to practice using guess and check tables to solve word problems. Ethel is building a kennel for Bubba, her dog. She wants the kennel to be 4 feet longer than the width. If she has 40 feet of fencing, what are the dimensions, length, and width of the kennel? To start the problem, make sure that you draw a T-table. I've drawn a diagram of what Ethel wants to build. The shape is a rectangle. It has length and width. We know she has a total of 40 feet of fencing. Recalling that the 40 feet of fencing will represent the perimeter, we're now ready to begin the problem. Pause and get yourself started. Okay, in order to start, you want to guess what the answer is. Since the question is, what are the dimensions, length, and width? Let's start with our guess, and let's guess the width. Usually a width is shorter than the length. That's why I've chosen to guess the width. Not knowing where to start, let's use the number 10. It's always a good number to multiply or add with. Once we know what the width is, the other dimension that has to be found will be the length. And what we know is that she wants the kennel to be 4 feet longer than the width. 4 feet longer than means to add 4. So the second column will represent the length. If our guess is 10, the length will be 4 feet longer, so plus 4, meaning 14 feet total. We want to know if the length and width of a 10 and 14-foot rectangle will use 40 feet of fencing. That means the next column should be the perimeter. The perimeter is 2 times the width plus 2 times the length, and that has to equal 40. That's how I will define the third column. Now using my calculation, 2 times the width of 10 plus 2 times the length of 14 is 20 plus 28, which is 48 feet. That guess happens to be too high. All right. I need to guess again. My guess this time should probably be less than 10. I'm going to go down and I'm going to guess 9. I think I'm pretty close. So 9. If my width is 9, once again, my length is 4 feet longer. So I add 4 to my guess of 9 to get 13 feet. As I check through my problem, I know that the perimeter has to equal 40. So the perimeter of this rectangle would be 2 times 9 plus 2 times 13, which is 18 plus 26 on your calculators is 44. Again, I've guessed a number that is too high. Guess again. As I extend my column, my next guess will be 8. That's my width. I take my guess, add 4 to it to get my length of 12. I check with the perimeter, 2 times the width plus 2 times the length, which is 2 times 8 plus 2 times 12. It's going to equal 16 plus 24. Those numbers add to 40. That's the perimeter I want. Bingo, I've got the right answer. We guessed, we checked it, and now to complete the problem, I'm going to write in a complete sentence, the width is 8 feet, length is 12 feet. Those are the dimensions of the rectangle. At any time you can pause or rewind to go back and check and make your own guesses before you get the answer.